Uh-oh. Huh? Oh, I didn't even get a chance to do an intro. What is this level? What's going on, guys? Joshua here, and welcome to PBC 2. I think. Wild West Wipeout. Okay. I don't even know what to say. The game pulled me into this way too early. Oh boy, this actually might be hard. This is an interesting level. Oh shit. I probably should have saved the plant food. No, my magnet shroom, no! Oh, well, there goes 2 lawnmowers. Sick. Okay, why don't you all die? Pretty much just gotta protect these 2 lanes, then I win. Oh, okay, yeah, protecting them. Ooh, a rally zombie. I don't have that one. Oh, shit! Oh my god, that was way too close. Oh, my electric pea shooters died. This is gonna be fun, said no one. I just ate a oh no. I just ate a banana and it is not agreeing. That banana is not agreeing with me. Oh wait, I should have brought a wall plant. Frick. No. Oh boy, this is not going well. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know how to do this one. How am I supposed to do oh, wait. I screwed up. Okay, yeah, I see what I'm supposed to do now. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Oh, wait. No. Wait, that was wrong. Yeah. Okay, now I can go. Oh, my heart is racing. Oh, thank God, it's a normal level. This is a weird level. Get in, Bonk Joy. Really? Oh my god, this is hard. This one's actually like, really hard. Oh, he can throw it. Set up lawnmower, see if I can. Uh-oh. Oh, he died because of the, okay. I don't know if I I don't know if I hate this because there's a banana killing my insides or it's just hard.
The zombies are coming.
Like, honestly, what am I actually supposed to do for most of these levels? Okay. Yeah, no, die. God, this level requires me to pay attention, but I'm very bad at paying attention. Alright, final wave. No, 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 no. Oh my god, that was so close. I hate these levels. I officially hate this. Playing it, okay. I don't remember what those things do. No, that's not a good idea. I don't know. Oh crap, I forgot they do that.
Coming.
Oh, I killed him. Quick. Wow, they're fast. Ah, this shovel, I accidentally shoveled it. I have a plan, and it involves spike rocks. That's not part of my plan. Oh wait, I can psych him out. Wow, I did it. Okay, I think next is the boss fight. Yeah, Dave and Penny don't want to talk to me about the lawnmowers being gone. They did in the last two. I'm so happy Spike Rock's plant food just insta-kills everything. No. Oh, he charges twice? Level 7, this can't be that bad, hopefully. Please don't be that bad. Uh-oh, I hate these levels. What? Why does it why do the games no longer tell you? Like after a certain point, the game just stops telling you if you get to pick up plants or not. Oh, bananas are too slippery for minecarts, alright. Did that a little too early. Oh wait. You know what? Screw it. Die. Die. Like I said, desperate times call for desperate measures. I know exactly what I'm getting into when I hit that play button. The hardest boss fight in PvZ history. Hi, Zomboss. Even my West was mild, so is my fury even wilder. Face me in the rebuilt and improved Zombot War Wagon. Alright, Zomboss, your time is up. Here we go, electric it. I need another carrot. There we go. No. Yes, this is the only way to damage him. Uh-oh. I don't know if this is boring for you guys, but I am stressed. Oh boy. Come on. Come on, Gargantua, get him. Get him. Get him. Come on, like we finished. Oh my god, yes. Oh, that boss fight lasted so long. Not having lawnmowers just gives me so much anxiety. It was a stagecoach. It was a robot. It was completely cowboy craziness. Oh, I didn't read that. Pause it on that frame so I can read it in voiceover. Our upgraded plans proved up to the task, user Dave. All my efforts useless. I began to seriously question my capacity of success to succeed, whatever. Capacity to succeed. God damn it. I hope for future is not this hard. That was a nightmare. Hopefully Far Future isn't going to be that hard, but honestly, considering it has the mechs and Blasternaut zombie, I doubt it. I doubt Far Future is going to be any easier. But I only have to do it once, and then I will never have to do it again. See ya.